Fashion is changing. Customers want products that last longer, regulation is pushing towards circularity, and fashion brands are looking for practical ways to make it happen. Bleckmann recreated the Renewal Workshop, a scalable solution that helps brands to give damaged items a next life through repair, cleaning, photography, data logging, etc. Repair is about more than fixing a button or replacing a zip. It's about restoring a product to the brand's original standard using the right materials, the right techniques, and skilled craftsmanship. Every product we repair stays in use longer. That means fewer new products need to be made, reducing resource use, emissions, and waste. Repair doesn't just extend product life, it also strengthens the relationship between brands and their customers, creating meaningful moments built on quality, care, and loyalty. At the Renewal Workshop by Bleckmann, we don't just repair garments. We create a more circular fashion future, making circularity a practical reality.